Welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to do some Saturday errands, and we thought we'd take you along with us. First, we're going to go to Chick-fil-A, and then we're going to go to Costco. Woohoo! Just a quick stop to drop off some donations. Are any of you cleaning out your closets as well? We have been doing little bits here and there to just kind of help clean out the clutter, right, Ezra?
Yes.
And we've been organizing some of his Legos. So now we're on to Chick-fil-A. We got some mac and cheese, and Jonas is already having some of his spicy sandwich, right? Now you like the spicy, yeah? And then Paul got a gluten-free bun with the grilled chicken.
Yes.
It's a good one. And then Ezzy, what'd you get? Chicken strips. Now you can take the little toy that comes in the kids' meal back up to the front and get what? Ice cream. So he'll probably do that later. But they have some really good chicken strips for sure. So we just had a great lunch, early lunch. I guess it was like 10:30. So now we're on our way to Costco. And I'll tell you a little bit more why. So we are going to brave Saturday Costco to get the things for our breakfast starting for Mondays. We decided that we're going to do juicing. We're going to do that just in the mornings and have it with our breakfast. And that's always how we kind of start when we want to be on the right track and eating better and I have the juicing recipes down packed. So we'll be alternating between a green spinach juice, a carrot juice, and then celery juice. It's going to be a good thing. So we're in Costco right now. It's so busy, so we'll just get what we need. But I wanted to show you some of the stuff that we are getting. It's good. Is a little bit of a madhouse in there. We had to park all the way far away from, probably as furthest as you can park, and it's near the gas station. You have to see how many people are here. So the line goes, you can see all those cars waiting all the way around this way. And I don't even think the gas is that cheap. Okay, we are back. I can't wait to show you everything that we got. So normally I would spend about under $50 for the fruits and vegetables that I need for the juicing. But today, because we picked up a couple other items, it came out to $90. And I'll show you what those are. And I'm also going to tell you a little bit about the juicing that we do. All right, first off, I love getting their eggs there. This is $3.79 for these cage-free eggs. And there's 24 here, you guys. So I think that that's a good price. And it's like better quality. So I don't know if you knew this about us, but we used to raise chickens in our backyard. It was the best, and I kind of miss it. But you know, it is what it is. We had them for about three seasons, 3 summers, and it got a little hot here. I also bought Paul some of this omeprazole. Now we need to buy this because it's part of his health regime that he has to do. And normally I buy them at Walmart and it's like $15. This was $10 at the Kirkland brand. So I think that's a win for us, $5 extra in my pocket. So we also got, look at this big box of popcorners, you guys. There's 28 little snack bags. I'm so excited. So they are on 1 ounce baggies. So the ones that I buy from the Dollar Tree are 3 ounces. So it would be like 3 bags of these in there, which is really, it's a lot, but I normally just finish one off in a day. So now I just have one for a snack. This was $10. I got some broccoli. So this broccoli is super good. with the potatoes. So I'll make like the broccoli and cheese soup. I might even add a little bit of barbecue chicken if we have some left over. But the rest, if I don't use it all before we use it all up, I just put it in the freezer and then I can go to it another time. But this is good. This one's really good. I also got our favorite tortillas. So these are uncooked and they're organic. I think it's like $7 for these 2 packs. So I'll put these in the freezer and use them as we need it. But these are probably the best tasting tortillas to me, because I don't like tasting the preservatives and I can taste them. Can you taste them in your foods, like preservatives, in like the store-bought ones, which I know you gotta do what you gotta do, and I've actually had to buy them at the store recently myself. I just don't eat them. The kids love them, but what am I supposed to do? When they want a quesadilla, they want a quesadilla. Okay, I got some Grandma's Sycamore. This is the best price to buy these double packs. It's like $4.70, so we stocked up for school lunches. So I just got some bananas. Their bananas are under $2, and these ones are organic. Yes, I got the organic ones. They were a little greener since I already had some right there, so I thought this could be in the next couple of days. I also got a big bag of Caesar salad because we're gonna have some grilled chicken tomorrow and some baked potatoes. So I thought we could have some salad too. And then Costco is known for their rotisserie chickens for being like $5. These are ginormous. When they compare to like the store brands, those are wimpy and this is the hefty one. So it's got lots of meat on there, can easily make a couple of meals, especially if you pull the chicken and add it to salads. It's awesome. So looks like we're having some rotisserie chicken tonight. Okay, so the last time we did some juicing was we did celery juicing for a while, which I do have some celery juice to go in the refrigerator. All it is just celery. That's it. And we'll be having that in the morning just to kind of help with some more nutrients. But here I followed Dr. Gerson's like a juice therapy, and I just loved it. And it was very simple, but effective. Okay, so I do a green juice and a carrot juice, and let me show you what I put in the carrot juice. And I love that I get everything at Costco because they do have so many organic vegetables and fruits. It makes it so much easier to do this. So organic, I will do this whole bag, and I will use probably about 4 of these apples, maybe 5. I just have to see how much juice it makes, because normally I use the really big Red Delicious ones, and those ones are smaller, about half size, so probably about 4. And again, these are also organic apples, so we'll juice those 2 together, and that'll be enough for Paul and I for 2 days. Hopefully to have some with the boys as well. So normally you're supposed to drink your juice as quickly as possible. But I feel like when I put it in a mason jar, airtight, that at least we'll have some for the next day, and it won't be a lot of work for me. Come on, that's what it is. Okay, so these bags were like $3.99 each, $4.99 each. So good price. These apples were $3.99 each. So I got enough for a couple of rounds here. So easy. Now, organic is best, but when you have to buy conventional, I just like at least buy it at Costco because it just feels better. So I always get these spinach because I know I use exactly half of this bag. So half of that will be into the juice, and it really doesn't make tons of juice, but the juice that comes out is really dark green, very full of all the minerals, the vitamins that are so good that, of course, during winter break, I'm depleted of. I use 1 whole English cucumber, and I use some of these celeries, so probably a good handful like this. And so that will make a lot of juice. And then I'll add a few more of these apples. So probably about 6 of them. So I will kind of gauge because I want to make sure I have enough for just the juices. And so I think these 2 bags, because I got 2 of these, are going to be just enough for all of the juicing. So let me show you the juicer that I use. Okay, so here's our juicer. We've gotten the juicer called, it's by the Breville Company. It is a machine. I've had it probably like 6 years now, and it is amazing. Amazing. So let me tell you the story. These are a few $100s, and we just don't have that kind of money, like to go and buy, oh, let me just go buy a juicer for a few $100. But we did buy a juicer at Target, and it was about under $100, and that was a lot for us. So I kept the receipt because I had read, if you go to chrisbeatcancer.com, he talks about some different varieties of juicers. You can start with one like that, and then keep your receipts, like especially Target. And I got one at Target, and I blew out a couple of the motors, and I kept taking it back, and they kept giving me another one because I had my receipt. They're supposed to last, the ones at the stores, but they don't. This one has a serious motor, and Paul was able to get like a lot of bonus points from sales at work, and then this was an option. I'm so happy it was, because it has like literally made us feel so good when we do it. And we go through spurts, so we don't do it all the time. We do it like for a few months, we kind of get going, and then we kind of slide, and then we go and pick it up again, and then, do you know what I mean? It's kind of like life, right? So this has saved us, and I'm just so happy we use it. So now, beginning of the new year, we're gonna start again, and it just helps us focus on good health and what we're eating. So let me know if you do some juicing. Now remember, I'm not a doctor, but I just know that there are lots of vitamins and lots of nutrients in straight juice. Plus, we eat a lot of the salads and things like that help give us the fiber that's in all of that stuff as well. So I'm gonna show you really quick what that looks like to make a carrot apple juice. And then we'll take a sample and let Ezra join us too, because he loves these juices. So I'll show you. I'm just gonna first clean off the carrots. So all I did was wash and just cut the ends off, and then I just cut these roughly into quarters and just cut out the seeds. So I think that this machine and the motor could probably process all through it since it's all organic, but I'm not gonna push it. So let's go. Here it is. It's like liquid gold or orange, but this will last us a couple of days. Just about having about a cup and a half or so in our morning with a little bit of our breakfast will help. It's good. Now carrots are already naturally more sweeter, and so just having a few of those apples is just enough, not too much, and so good. So thanks so much for coming with me to Costco, running some errands today. Let me know in the comments if you are able to get to a Costco or a Sam's Club, and if you just love the produce there just like I do. So have a wonderful day, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye everyone. Now it's time to clean.